Okay, today we are going to make a mango and banana ice cream. We're going to use these three ingredients, and I will use some sliced almonds at the end. Okay, we will now blend the mango into a puree. Okay, we have a frozen ice cold bowl that we are going to now whip the cream. And we'd want to add a little bit of vanilla, but let's add 2 cups of whipping cream. A little bit of vanilla. And now we are going to whip. Okay, now we are going to add 1 can of a condensed milk. All right. Okay, let's add our mango puree. And we'll just fold that in. You can see how nice and incorporated all of the mango puree now is throughout the cream. Okay. And now we'll slice some banana. I think 3 bananas is enough. They're very small bananas, so maybe just 1 large, or how many ever you would like. Perfect. I'm going to add some sliced almonds. This will just give some texture. Maybe a few more. Like half a cup. That looks good. I think that looks perfect. So now we have our ice cream base, and I'm just going to pour that into a Tupperware, and I'm going to let this freeze probably 4 to 6 hours, and then we'll come back and share with you the finished version. Thank you. Okay, let's try our scoop now. It's a little soft still. Wow. It is so good. Wow. Still a little bit soft, but the flavor is really, really, really good. I think you'll really enjoy this recipe. Thank you.